simple piece of metal can be transformed into a beautiful and unique ring? This video shows the fascinating craftsmanship behind that process. First, the metal is carefully prepared. It is heated and melted so it can be shaped into the desired form. Once the metal becomes workable, it is prepared for the next stage of the process. The metal is then passed through rollers where it is pressed and shaped repeatedly. With each pass, it becomes thinner, longer, and more uniform. This step is extremely important because the finished metal will eventually become the foundation of the ring. Next, the thin metal is cut and carefully bent into a circular shape. The ends are joined together using heat, creating a strong ring base. The jeweler checks the size and shape using specialized tools to make sure everything is perfectly aligned. But the most interesting part is still to come. A small metal chain is carefully attached around the ring. Each tiny link is positioned by hand so the chain fits smoothly around the entire design. The jeweler works with incredible precision because even the smallest detail can affect the final appearance. After the chain is secured, the ring is carefully cleaned and refined. Any rough edges or excess metal are removed using precision files and specialized tools. The ring is then placed on a shaping tool to make sure its circular form is perfectly even. Now comes the finishing stage. The surface of the ring is polished to remove imperfections and bring out its natural shine. A polishing machine smooths the metal, giving the entire piece a clean and professional finish. Little by little, the ordinary piece of metal has been transformed into a stylish chain design ring. What looked simple at the beginning now has a completely different appearance. Finally, the finished ring is placed on a finger to check its fit and overall look. The combination of the smooth metal, detailed chain design, and polished surface gives the ring a unique and elegant appearance. This process is a perfect example of how patience, precision, and craftsmanship can turn ordinary materials into something truly beautiful. The final piece may look simple, but behind that beauty are countless careful movements, detailed work, and hours of skilled craftsmanship. That is what makes handmade jewelry so special.